I do think December, there's going to be a lot of volatility because of all of these things that we're talking about, possibly even into January as well, which actually leads me, I want you to talk about something we were talking a little bit about before the show. And you were mentioning like previous bear markets and the amount of days that they lasted essentially, and where that may put us for this bear market, and kind of comparing and contrasting past bear markets, which I think is definitely useful to do. It doesn't mean that you or I or anybody else is saying that this has to mirror every past bear market. You know, we
Right.
are seeing Bitcoin and the crypto space mature, obviously, every 4-year cycle. You know, and Bitcoin will make lesser and lesser and lesser gains, obviously, as time goes on. But yeah, I want to hear this data again to kind of see what we've seen in the past, if you have it there.
So I heard somebody comparing something to the halvening relative to the previous market bottom. So in 2012, the previous market bottom was November 2nd of 2011, which was 373 days. The next halvening was in 2016, and the previous bottom before that was July 9th, 2016, with the bottom being January 14th of 2015, which was 542 days. The last one, the halvening, was May 11th of 2021, and that was the halvening. And then the bottom was March 13th of 2020, which was 424 days. So I just took the average of those three markets, and it came to 446 days. So the anticipated halvening date is March 24th of 2024, which puts our 446 days at January 3rd of 2023. Someone needs to ban these guys.
Yeah, I'm taking care of it
irritated.
Right now.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Anyway.
So anyway, so January 3rd of 2023, which, you know, give or take, I don't know, 30 days in either side. We could be in December, we could be in February, but it gives you a ballpark, you know, of where the bottom will actually be. And it's an interesting statistic how it plays out. It's pretty close, you know, give or take 100 days.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
Yeah.
I thought it was cool.
And that's a narrow enough amount of time, I think. You know, there's enough margin for error there. And yeah, I mean, like we were kind of thinking this month is when the ultimate low would be. I mean, yeah, I could certainly see it not coming until January or something like that. I think it's safe to say I would be surprised. Actually, I'd be borderline. I'd be shocked, I will actually say, if the low somehow is not in the first quarter of 2023. I would be concerned about where the space is and where the market is if we are, you know, hitting new lows in April of next year. You know what I mean? That should be, I think, most of 2023, I think, should be where we're like consolidating in this kind of really boring, crappy area. And, you know, at least, although it's been all negative action the last few weeks, at least there was action, I guess, because what I'm thinking in 2023 is that there won't be a lot, maybe until like quarter 3 or 4 next year.
Well, you know, there's some possibility of some exciting things coming too with being pulse chain. You know, if we do get that, it could make it exciting for us at the bottom of the market, and have something brand new to play around with, and excitement around crypto again. You know, but traditionally, the bottom of the market does chop around for a while before it does start the uptick toward the all-time highs again. So
right. Yeah.